Digital privacy is more important than ever, and VPNs are at the heart of that conversation. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic, keeping your data safe from prying eyes and bypassing geo-blocks. But what if you used a VPN on every device all the time? Your phone, laptop, smart TV, everything? It sounds like the ultimate privacy move, but there are real trade-offs. In this video, I'll break down what really happens when you live inside that encrypted tunnel 24/7. We'll cover the benefits, the drawbacks, and the surprises along the way. Let's dive in. The moment you turn on a VPN, all your data is instantly encrypted. Whether you're on public Wi-Fi or at home, your information is scrambled and unreadable to hackers or your ISP. Even your smart devices, TVs, watches, speakers, get this protection if they're connected. Anyone trying to snoop just sees encrypted gibberish. Your ISP can see you're using a VPN, but not what you're doing. It's a powerful baseline for privacy, making your data much harder to intercept. Encryption is just the start. A VPN also hides your real IP address. Instead of your true location, websites see the VPN server's address, making you much harder to track. This helps block advertisers and trackers, and lets you bypass geo-restrictions for content. Want to watch a show only available in the UK? Just connect to a UK server. Your browsing habits and location stay private. The internet suddenly feels a lot more open. With a VPN, you can appear to be anywhere in the world. This isn't just for streaming. Online prices for flights or hotels can change based on your location. Switching servers lets you compare prices globally and sometimes save money. You can also access news and sites that might be blocked in your country. It's a simple trick with big implications for access and savings. Using a VPN everywhere creates a security blanket for your entire digital life. Every device, laptop, phone, smart TV, even IoT gadgets, gets the same protection. Setting up your VPN on your router covers everything on your network, even devices without VPN apps. This is especially valuable for work-from-home setups and smart home security. It closes security gaps you might not even know exist. It's a holistic approach to digital safety. But it's not all smooth sailing. Some websites and apps, especially banks and streaming services, block VPN traffic or flag it as suspicious. You might get locked out of accounts or see more CAPTCHAs. Streaming services are always trying to block VPNs to enforce regional restrictions. Sometimes your favorite show is there, sometimes it's not. These annoyances add friction to daily browsing. It's a trade-off for privacy. Does a VPN slow down your internet? Usually yes. Your data takes a longer route and gets encrypted, which adds some delay. The slowdown depends on server distance and VPN quality. Premium VPNs minimize speed loss, but free ones can be painfully slow. For most, everyday browsing and streaming are fine with a good VPN, but if speed is critical, you'll notice the difference. Most VPNs limit how many devices you can connect at once, usually 5 to 10. That's fine for one person, but families or tech enthusiasts hit the cap fast. The best solution? Install the VPN on your router. That way, every device on your Wi-Fi is protected, and it only counts as one connection. It's a bit technical, but worth it for full home coverage. Just make sure your router can handle it. Here's the truth. A VPN isn't a magic shield. It protects your data in transit, but not your device from viruses or malware. If you download something malicious, a VPN won't save you. You still need antivirus software and smart online habits. Also, logging into accounts like Google or Facebook means those services still know it's you. A VPN is just one layer in your security setup. Don't let it give you a false sense of invincibility. So, is using a VPN everywhere worth it? You get strong privacy, access to global content, and a safer digital life. But you'll face slower speeds, blocked services, and more CAPTCHAs. A VPN is a great tool, but not a cure-all. For privacy-focused users or frequent travelers, the benefits outweigh the hassles. For casual users, just using it on public Wi-Fi might be enough. The key is knowing what you gain and what you give up.